loves, and welcome back to my channel. So I am about to do some faux locks on my hair. So this is my first time doing them and first time getting them, and they actually turned out really cute. I'm really proud of myself. But this is the hair that I'm using. It's Eve hair, and it's the fluffy hair, the 3 times water twist hair. So I got it in 24 inches because that's all my beauty supply had, and I got it in a number 2. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and then I just put a little bit of my Lovely Bees leave-in in, and I let it air dry. I didn't want to blow dry it because I didn't want my hair to be too straight. So yeah, I let it air dry, and now I am going to start sectioning it out so that I can do my twist first. So I learned how to do this from Wynne Jean's video. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. So she did not do like crisp parts, and that's what really sold me on this. She literally just did like even sections. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do any like super crisp parts. I'm literally going to just be pulling the hair apart, but I'm going to try to make the sections as even as possible, if that makes sense. So I'm just adding a little bit of curl cream to my hair right now, and then I'm just going to do all of my twists. And y'all, this was so much faster than doing straight like perfect parts, and it's going to make you want to do it, trust me.
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside.
So my hair is all sectioned and twisted up, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you guys a closer view of what the hair looks like. So the hair comes in 3 bundles per pack, and each bundle has 9 to 10 pieces. Well, the pack that I had, each bundle had 9 to 10 individual pieces in it, and that's what the individual pieces look like. So I'm just separating them. I have a little table right there because I don't have one of those like braid racks. So I'm just separating the pieces so that I can move faster and don't have to pull them apart as I'm going. So I'm laying them all out, and then I did the practice ones in the back first just to make sure that I can do it, and then I'm going to break it down for you guys as good or as best that I can. So I start off with one piece, and I try to make this piece a little bit longer than my hair. I did not do it here, but I make it a little bit longer. I pretty much made it almost even with my hair, and then I'm going to hold it at the base, like the root of my hair, and I'm going to take the longer piece and wrap it around both my hair and that extra piece. I'm going to wrap it around the base about 3 to 4 times, like tight to my root, and then I'm going to start just lightly twisting it down the hair that I'm already holding. And then when I get to the bottom, I make a little loop and then wrap the rest of the hair going back up. I'll show you guys when we get there.
Sitting on the grassland side by side, you could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
So once I get past the hair that I was holding, that was my hair and the little piece of the fake hair, I like to do the loop right there. So I go maybe like an inch past my real hair. I put them both together and keep twisting, and then I just loop that around and then take the excess hair and wrap it going back up, and it'll just stay by itself.
A woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So here it is sped up. I just take the twist hair and match it up with my real hair, and then I take the longer piece and I begin wrapping it around both, and I like to grip it with my hand. You see my finger is kind of holding it. When I do the 3 to 4 wraps around the base, I'm gripping it in place so that it doesn't move, and then I'm lightly twisting it down. So you don't want to make it tight, and you don't want to like tug on it too much because the hair is going to spring up a bit. I didn't know that, so I kind of made mine a little bit too tight, so they got shorter than I wanted them to be. So yeah, you don't want to pull them too tight. And then this is a close-up of how I do the bottom. So you see me make the loop, and then I'm just going to twist that hair going right back up.
If I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
So that is the last one, and then I am all done. So I would have only used one pack, but I messed up a few, so I had to take about 3 or 4 pieces out of a second pack, which I'm so mad because literally I would have had enough. So I think I had 27 braids, if I remember right. Not braids, 27 locks. So 27 locks, one pack would have been enough, but this is what they look like. And then I'm going to take my Lovely Bees Edge Control and just do my edges a bit. And then I decided that I wanted to pin it up. But yeah, this is how I end up wearing it most of the time. I really, really love them, y'all. They were so easy and they were super easy to take out. I'll leave the video down below because I posted that one first. But this is the final look. I'll leave everything down below if I could find the links because I got this from the beauty supply. But yeah, I love you guys and I will see you in my next one.
My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love.